Speaking to you today about the immune system. Now, the immune system is increasingly understood to be the really clever system of the body. It's largely what keeps us well, and when it's properly regulated, it does an extraordinary job of keeping your body in the space you want to be in. Now, it's just quite remarkable. The more I look into it, the more it sort of just leaves me in awe at how the body is so amazing. So, the body produces all these various classes of cells that do a great job at looking after you. And you've heard about some of them, like T helper cells. So people with HIV are always having them measured, that their load or their population is an indicator of the strength of the immune system. And these cells are trained, various of the white blood cells and other cells are trained within the body to recognize various classes of bugs and germs. And if they turn out to be no good, they just get dispatched by other cells. It's too cool. It's really extraordinary. While you're sleeping and stuff's going on, all these wonderful processes are just happening, and luckily you don't have to derive any brain power to keep them working. They're just clever body doing its job in the background. They found that RSM, Redox Signaling Molecules, are a really vital component to the efficacy of your immune system. And when the balance is correct, they've been shown that they help to protect against germs and viruses, they help to rid the body of toxins, and they help to prevent self-attacks. One of the clever things they've worked out is that the immune system most of the time is actually ignoring things, because 99% of the stuff in your body is meant to be there. There's only about 1% that's actually shouldn't be there. You know, your body is the host to trillions of bacteria and viruses. Most of them are helping you have a happy life. A small percentage make you sick. So it's important for the immune system to know the difference. And various profiles of people are tending to have been recognized over many years to have overactive immune systems. And when it gets confused, they go on the rampage and eat you. So any of those autoimmune diseases, they tend to have a big impact on how your body responds. So you tend to get sort of all of that suite of diseases where the body's actually, beating up the guests at the party, not the gate crashers. So the immune system is one of the cleverest systems in the body, and it has brain cells within it. So the immune system comprises neuropeptides, and those cells, the same as in your brain, are particularly good at recognizing friend from foe. Now, the system relies on redox molecules to actually improve that communication. So within the cell, if there's something in the cell that shouldn't be there, they bustle out and call immune response to the site so that the immune system can do its work. So hundreds of millions of times a second, redox molecules are doing their job. So you could understand if the numbers are down, probably 20% is sufficient to make your immune response sluggish. So you don't get sick, you just get a little sick before your body gets on top of it. So inflammation is something that is understood widely now to be a setting for poor function of the body. It distracts the immune system and keeps it busy looking after this rearguard business of reducing inflammation, which stops it doing another job, which might be fighting the virus you picked up from the person in the bus next to you. So you can't protect yourself from viruses by keeping them out. What you can do is protect yourself by getting your immune system up to scratch so that you can, look after the not well people and not get sick yourself. So the standard things still apply, a healthy diet, adequate rest, and a happy attitude. All these things are cornerstones of good health. However, without the workforce working in your body, to keep the cells happy and effective, you're kind of running after the problem rather than running ahead of it. So keep an eye on our chats. We'll be talking to you again soon. So the immune system is regarded as key to your health. A healthy immune system is a good indicator of your health because the more adaptive it is, the more you can cope with life. And these RSM molecules are a component of good health and arguably a critical component, but without the other elements of good health, plenty of water, exercise, rest, good attitude, fresh food, they'll only again be helping a system that requires the basics to do a good job. All the best. Speak to you soon. Thank you.